This message is for the part of you that feels anxious or unsure of yourself because the results haven't shown up yet. For the moments when you wonder if you missed something or took a wrong turn. You didn't. No matter where you are right now, you are exactly where you were meant to be. Every delay, every detour, every apparent setback has been strategically woven into your path. If you found this video, you've already shifted in the quantum field. The work is done on an energetic level. Now your only role is to soften, to trust, and to allow God's perfect timing to unfold. Let these affirmations remind you that nothing is wasted, everything is aligning, and divine timing is perfect. Let's begin. I trust God's timing completely. I trust the universe and the miracles that are unfolding for me. I am exactly where I am meant to be in this moment. Nothing in my life has been a mistake. Every apparent failure has been a brick in my pyramid of success. Every delay is serving a higher purpose. I release the need to rush my manifestations. What is meant for me cannot miss me. I trust the divine plan unfolding in my life. I trust divine timing as this plan continues to unfold. Even setbacks are guiding me forward. I am safe in the hands of divine timing. Everything is aligning behind the scenes. I let go of anxiety and surrender to trust. I have faith in unseen forces working on my behalf. I have faith in myself completely. And I know I am on the perfect path. My path is unfolding perfectly, step by step. I no longer question my journey. What feels like a pause is divine preparation. I trust the rhythm of the universe. What feels like a setback is energy coiling for a powerful leap forward. Everything arrives when my soul is ready. Every closed door was not rejection, it was redirection. I stop asking, why hasn't it happened? And start asking, what is being prepared? The quiet is not empty. Miracles are assembling in the unseen. I exchange anxiety about what hasn't happened for excitement about what is unfolding. I am not being delayed. I am being refined and aligned. I trust the space between the vision and the reveal. I allow the waiting to be holy instead of heavy. I do not rush what is sacred. I honor the pace of my becoming. I am ready to receive with peace, not desperation. Unanswered prayers have protected me from what was not aligned. I release the need to control the how and when. I trust that alignment attracts what effort cannot. I stop chasing and start becoming a vibrational match for my dreams. I bless the detours. They were part of the design. I choose presence over pressure. I trust that what is meant for me will arrive and remain. I relax because what's mine is already finding me. I trust God in the miracles that are unfolding for me right now. I trust what I cannot yet see. God is arranging everything in my favor. I am supported even when progress feels slow. Every experience is moving me closer to my purpose. I release comparison and honor my unique timeline. I am not swayed by appearances. I stay committed to the process. I trust the timing of my breakthroughs. I am divinely guided at all times. What I need arrives exactly when I need it. The right people arrive at the perfect time. I do not need to force what is meant to flow. My life is unfolding with precision and care. I trust the wisdom of divine delays. Even my challenges are part of the plan. I am learning exactly what I need to learn right now. I release fear and return to faith. God's plan for me is greater than my fears. I am never behind in life. I am right on schedule. I trust that my perceived failures are future blessings. The universe is positioning me for something greater. I relax because I am certain of my success. I trust the process even when it feels uncomfortable. What is unfolding now will make perfect sense when my dreams manifest. I allow God's divine timing to work through me. I stop resisting and start allowing. I am guided, protected, and supported by unseen forces. My life is aligning in ways I cannot yet imagine. I release the need for immediate results. I trust that everything is aligning perfectly for me. I am calm knowing I am on the right path. I release all tension and return to peace in the now. God's timing is always perfect. I surrender control and choose peace and faith. My journey is unfolding with divine intelligence. I allow life to unfold naturally. I trust the pauses just as much as the progress. I am learning trust at a soul level. I do not need to know the full plan to trust it. God is guiding every step I take. I release worry and choose faith. What is meant for me is already on its way. I am patient with my unfolding. I trust the lessons hidden in every experience. I am divinely supported through every phase. I allow things to come together in perfect timing. My success is not late, it is aligned. I trust the divine orchestration of my path. I relax during moments of uncertainty, knowing they are guiding me toward clarity. I am safe letting go of control. I trust that I will understand everything in time. God is forming unseen miracles in my life right now. I release pressure and embrace faith. Every step is leading me closer to alignment. I trust the unfolding of my destiny. What feels like waiting is actually becoming. I trust the divine intelligence moving my life forward. I am so grateful for the divine timing in my life. I honor the pace of my journey. Everything is aligning in my favor. I trust the divine redirections in my life. I am becoming exactly who I need to be. God's plan is unfolding with perfection. I relax into divine timing. I trust that clarity will arrive when I'm ready. I release the urge to figure everything out. My faith is stronger than my fear. I trust the journey even when I don't understand it. The universe is guiding me toward my highest good. Divine timing is always working for me. I trust where life is leading me. Everything is happening exactly as it should. I am aligned with God's perfect plan. I allow trust to replace anxiety. I allow faith to replace fear. I am grateful for where I am right now. God is preparing me for what I've asked for. I surrender and receive peace. I trust that my breakthrough is perfectly timed. I am exactly where I need to be. I allow life to surprise me in beautiful ways. I trust divine timing with my whole heart. I am held in perfect alignment. I rest in faith, knowing all is well. As above, so below. Let it be. These affirmations were designed to remind you that what you're waiting for is already on its way, arriving at the perfect moment in the perfect form for the highest good of your life. Trust where you are, trust what's unfolding, trust God's timing. If these affirmations helped you feel more at peace with divine timing, let me know in the comments. And if this resonated, feel free to like, subscribe, or return anytime you want to strengthen your faith and confidence in God's plan. As above, so below.